Now to start the build for this Beyond Strong Extreme application, they gathered the materials. Aluminum panels of varying thickness, 3M Scotch-Weld epoxy adhesive, 3M accelerated polyurethane adhesive sealant, 3M VHB tape, rivets, screws, and these beautiful glass balls that are lovingly being sacrificed to science. Now let's find out how traditional metal fasteners hold up against 3M industrial adhesives and tapes by dropping a 15-pound ball from a 4-foot height. Up first, the traditional metal fasteners. Now let's see what makes 3M industrial adhesives and tapes beyond strong. And they hold. 3M industrial adhesives and tapes go beyond strong, even in the face of an extreme application.